Hi, I'm Quinn from the South Columbus Public Library, and today I'm going to be bringing you a quarantine kitchen. Today's quarantine kitchen is going to be ice cream in a bag. So today we're going to make a tasty treat for you to beat the heat this summer. Alright, so to make your ice cream in a bag, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some rock salt, but any salt will actually do, so any salt that you have in the house will work. You're going to need some sugar. You're going to need half and half. Milk also works, so if you got milk, milk works just fine. And some vanilla extract. On this side are the optionals. So we have syrup if you want to make a flavored ice cream, or sprinkles if you want to get fancy. But like I said, everything on this side is optional. Alright, so first we're going to start by filling our 1 gallon bag with some ice. You're going to want to fill your bag maybe 1/3 of the way, maybe half the way. So this is the amount of ice. So now we're going to go ahead and pour our salt. We're going to pour about half a cup of salt. So we're going to pour rock salt, and like I said, about half a cup. A little more than half a cup, but it's okay. We're going to go ahead and put our salt in the ice. Spread it all over. Now that we have this made up, we're going to go ahead and set this to the side, and we're going to go ahead and make our ice cream mixture. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and get our ice cream mixture together. We're going to start with our half and half. We're going to pour about a cup into our measuring cup. We're going to put a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to pour about half a cup of sugar. And now that we have our mixture, what we're going to do is carefully pour it into a ziploc bag. And it's probably best to do it over a bowl to just cut down on the mess. We're going to zip our bag. We're going to make sure it's tight so that nothing gets out, and like I said, so we can minimize the mess. At this point also is if you wanted to get fancy and make you a flavored ice cream, you would add your syrup, or you could add some sprinkles. But we're just going to start with a basic vanilla ice cream. So since we have our mixture, we're ready to shake. You're going to take your ice bag that you made earlier with your salt, and you're going to place your smaller bag inside of the big bag. You're going to want to zip that bag. You're definitely going to want to make sure this one is closed and tight, since we're going to be doing a lot of shaking. Now that we've finished shaking, we have a finished ice cream product, and now it's ready to be scooped into a bowl. And there's our finished product. I'm gonna top mine off with some sprinkles. And this is our tasty treat to beat the summer heat. Delicious. For more quick and easy dessert recipes, check out this recipe book. It's available at curbside pickup with Chattahoochee Valley Libraries.
Inspiration. Mysterious.
Reading is an adventure.
It's my escape.
Refreshing. Like a glass of water.
Relaxing.
Bizarre.
A warm hug.
Awesome.
Opportunity.
Fundamental.
Transformative.
Reading is unforgettable.
The Summer Reading Challenge.
We're open. Check us out.